What it do, what it do. Alright, y'all, I just got my Chevy back, man. Y'all remember this one right here. 84. 28. Alright, I need an opinion. I need y'all opinion. Do y'all think I should cut my pipes off the back and put some turn down on there? What y'all think I should cut them things off, put some turn downs on it? So let y'all hear it in a minute. 28. Man, I gotta get a damn tie. And I gotta get a grill, man. I'm trying to get the damn Tiara grill, but hell, Tiara grill, however you say it, but shit. They ain't gonna fit on there, so I'm gonna have to get the Kelly grill. But shit, that still go hard though. I gotta get a goddamn tie. That motherfucker tie fucked up. It's all good though. Another opinion. First, I need y'all to like, subscribe my channel, because I'm gonna be having a whole bunch of more coming soon, updates and all that. My interior, my car was original brown. It was this color right here. You know what I'm saying? It's that older color, but I done changed the color you see. Man, I'm thinking about going like a peanut butter. Like a leather peanut butter. Leather peanut butter go hard in the bit. What y'all think? Be my first time cranking them motherfucker up. And then my damn gauge hand, man. I don't know if this full now, but it's like, look at that. What do the hell that mean? Some days I be driving that motherfucker go way up here. But I just put gas in, I just be not eyeballing, I just be guessing. You know the old school, y'all gotta scoot my feet though. You know you gotta pat that gas. What do this mean? Soon I crank it up, it cuts off. Probably cause I got a carburetor shit on there. I know you gotta pat the gas, warm it up.